Welcome, my dear friends. Today we go to sorry. First of all, sorry for you. Last 10 days I will not made that question answer. Okay, just I have job in busy. So today I start my again for mechanical question answer. For this is for use for that one we have got for the job and getting knowledge for theoretical. That's why I continues this video uploading. Okay. Okay. Sorry again one more time. Sorry for you. Okay. Last week we all saw that at least 26 or 25, I think about. Again, we go to start question number 27. What is the bearing rush? Bearing rush actually you knows for that one. Actually, it defines the comparison of fit of the split type journal bearing diametrically and will not exceed more than maximum 0.003 inches. What is the bearing rush? Actually, it defines comparison fit of the split type bearing diametrically and will not exceed more than maximum crush how much 0.003 inches. Okay, now we go to next question. How to check bearing crush? Keeping how to check bearing crush? Keeping 0.004 to 0.010 inches. Keeping 0.004 to 0.010 inches of same according the plastic gauge series. Okay, on the face half split of bearing. Okay, housing and measuring the clearance between the bearing cell means top cover, bearing cell to top cover. Okay, bearing housing with use the plastic gauge after tightening the cover. Okay, now bearing crush, seam thickness, plastic gauge reading. How much crush that we are reading to bearing crush? The plastic gauge measuring to we are near our micrometer. Okay, this is for bearing crush checking. Okay, how to bearing crush? How to adjust the bearing crush? By providing the seam piece in between the bearing top cover, bearing cell top cover of the bearing housing. How bearing crush we are check how much that one 0.004 to 0.010 inches. Now this question how to adjust the bearing crush by providing the seam piece between the bearing cell top cover. Okay, bearing housing. We are calling top cover or bearing housing. Okay, add seam. Okay, how to the check thrust clearance? How to check thrust clearance? Keep the dial indicator horizontally on rotor any accessible point horizontal. Okay, move to rotor shaft locally to find out the thrust clearance. Rotate that time is how much the thrust clearance. Okay, of the bearing after the fixation the radial thrust bearingly how much clearance. Okay, this is for next question. Okay, how to adjust the thrust bearing clearance? How to adjust the already we have thrust clearance checking. Again we are go to how to adjust the thrust bearing clearance. Add or remove seam on thrust bearing collar. Thrust bearing collar na we are asking thrust bearing collar provision the given the seam. Otherwise we go to machining. This 2 point. How to adjust the thrust bearing clearance? Add remove seam on the thrust bearing collar. How much you want? We want means add or remove the seam. Okay. Otherwise, we go to machining the collar. Okay, that's okay. How to the identify bearing bats based on their pivot, pivot. Okay, left hand and right hand. How to identify the bearing bad based on their pivot, left hand and right hand bats. Okay. How to identify right hand RH or LH bats. The loading point of the bed right side called RH. When seeing the front, the bad face. Okay, seeing the bad face. If the loading point of bad on the left side, LH, bad seeing the front of the bad base. Okay, how to identify the RH and LH pivoted bad. Okay, pivot bad. If the loading point of the bad on right side called to RH, left side LH. Okay, and fade face. Okay, okay, this question. Okay, next one. If the DOR of the rotor COW looking from CE/C, where will we locate RH LH pad? Right hand pad on opposite side of the coupling. Right hand pads RH pad are opposite of the side of the coupling. Left hand pads on the coupling side. Left hand coupling side opposite of right hand side. Okay, RH LH. Okay. What is the adapter sleeve, withdrawal sleeve? These sleeves used to fix in remove bearing easily and to fix any accessible place on the rotor. Question one more time I tell to you. What is the adapter sleeve, withdrawal the sleeve? What is the adapter sleeve, withdrawal the sleeve? Okay. These sleeves used to fix and remove bearing on that to be fixed any accessible place. Okay. Please place on the rotor in adapter sleeve. Rotor sleeve place on the adapter sleeve. Okay. Bearing fastened while the adapter sleeve nut tightened in withdrawal sleeve. Okay. Nut is used to withdraw bearing from, it is a position from the withdrawal sleeve. Okay. What is the adapter sleeve? Withdrawal sleeve. The sleeves used to fix and remove bearing. Remove the sleeve, bearing. Easily on that the fixed any accessible point. Place of the rotor. Okay. That is the sleeve. Adapter sleeve. Okay. Adapter sleeve like that. In fixed bearing fixed fastened while adapter sleeve nut tightened in withdrawal sleeve, nut in used to withdraw bearing from, it is the point from the withdrawal sleeve. Okay. The sleeve used the fix and remove bearing easily on that to be fixed accessible place on the rotor. That is for the adapter sleeve. Bearing is fastened while the adapter sleeve nut tightened in withdrawal sleeve, nut in used to withdraw bearing from the position. Okay. This is for today question answer, for mechanical interview question answer. Okay. Again I will be go to next video. After that, I maybe after 1 or 2 days back I will be upload that mechanical question answer. Can you subscribe this video? You like and subscribe. Don't forget bell button. If you share any question answer for any friends, you tell to him this channel subscribe. Don't forget. Thank you very much.